Every man has wondered at some point, is masturbating every day bad for me? What is it doing to my body, especially my prostate? In this video, we're going deep, no pun intended, into the science and truth behind daily masturbation and its direct connection with prostate health. Is it helpful or harmful? Does it reduce your risk of prostate cancer or increase it? Could you be causing silent damage without even knowing it? Stick around until the end, because we'll cover 7 shocking facts that even your doctor might not have told you. Whether you're in your 20s, 50s, or beyond, this video could literally change how you view your private health forever. So let's break the silence and bust the myths with real, science-backed information on what daily masturbation really does to your prostate, and why most men have no idea. 1. Ejaculation may lower prostate cancer risk. Let's start with the big one, prostate cancer. It's the second most common cancer among men worldwide. And here's the surprising twist. Multiple studies suggest that frequent ejaculation may actually reduce your risk of developing it. Magnifying glass tilted left the science behind it. A groundbreaking study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, JAMA, followed nearly 30,000 men over 18 years. The results? Men who ejaculated at least 21 times per month had a 33% lower risk of developing prostate cancer than those who did it only 4 to 7 times per month. Why does this happen? Ejaculation clears the ducts. Your prostate and seminal vesicles store seminal fluid. Frequent ejaculation flushes out old fluids that might contain inflammatory cells or carcinogens. It reduces DNA-damaging oxidative stress in the prostate. Regular release may prevent prostate congestion, a common cause of inflammation, exploding head where you didn't know. This means that masturbation isn't just a stress reliever, it may be a protective factor for one of the most feared male diseases. While more research is ongoing, this link is strong. Enough that many urologists now advise that regular ejaculation can be a good thing. So next time someone says you're overdoing it, you can respond with science. 2. But too much can irritate the prostate. Now, here's the catch. Too much of anything can backfire, and masturbation is no exception. Persevering face signs of prostate irritation. Some men who masturbate daily, or several times a day, report pelvic pressure, dull ache near the anus or lower back, a feeling of fullness in the prostate region, burning during urination or ejaculation. This can mimic a condition called chronic prostatitis or pelvic pain syndrome. While it's not an infection, this condition can be incredibly uncomfortable and is linked with overstimulation of the prostate. The brain-prostate connection. Every time you climax, your nervous system goes through a powerful response. Doing this daily without adequate rest can increase nerve hypersensitivity, trigger chronic tension in the pelvic floor, lead to prostatic congestion, making the gland feel swollen. So, while daily ejaculation might be safe for many, if you're feeling discomfort or strange pelvic symptoms, your body could be telling you to take a break. 3. Daily ejaculation keeps fluids moving. Your prostate isn't just sitting there, it's a fluid-producing powerhouse. In fact, it creates about 30% of your total semen volume. Just like a machine, it needs to keep things moving. Droplet. Here's what happens when you ejaculate. The seminal vesicles and prostate contract to push out stored fluids. This helps clear out old, stagnant semen, preventing blockages. It may reduce the risk of developing prostate stones, tiny mineral deposits that can cause pain and irritation. Many urologists believe that men who ejaculate regularly, whether through sex or masturbation, have healthier prostates, particularly as they age. 3 o'clock aging and prostate drainage. As men age, sexual frequency often drops. For the prostate, this can mean more retained fluid, higher risk of inflammation, greater chances of urinary discomfort. So if you're older and wondering if masturbation is still okay, the answer is yes. It may actually be more important than ever to maintain that function. 4. Daily masturbation and testosterone. A common myth is that masturbation lowers testosterone. The truth is more nuanced. DNA, what the research says. Normal ejaculation does not reduce baseline testosterone in men. In fact, Studies show that short-term abstinence may raise testosterone slightly, but levels return to normal quickly. There's no clinical evidence that daily masturbation causes low T or hormone imbalance in healthy men. So, unless you're experiencing low sex drive, depression, or muscle loss, masturbation is not the enemy of your hormones. Repeat button the real concern: addiction or compulsion. If masturbation starts interfering with your daily life, relationships, or emotional well-being, that's where problems begin, not from the act itself, but from lack of balance. Remember, healthy routine equals healthy prostate. 5. The role of masturbation in preventing prostatitis. Prostatitis, or inflammation of the prostate, affects millions of men, especially those between 30 and 50. One lesser-known fact is that regular ejaculation may actually help prevent prostatitis. Petri dish why? It flushes out bacteria and fluids that may build up inside the prostate. It reduces pressure and swelling caused by stagnant secretions. Some men find relief from mild prostatitis symptoms through regular sexual activity. Doctors even recommend prostatic massage for men with chronic inflammation. Masturbation is a natural and less invasive way to do that. But again, balance matters. If daily masturbation makes symptoms worse instead of better, then your body may need more recovery time. 6. Psychological benefits that support prostate health. Your mental health is deeply connected to your physical well-being, including your prostate. Daily masturbation, when not compulsive, can reduce stress, which lowers cortisol and inflammation in the body, improve sleep, aiding in tissue repair and immune health, increase endorphin release, which supports overall wellness. These benefits have an indirect but powerful effect on your prostate's condition. Prolonged stress can lead to pelvic muscle tension, restricted blood flow, and inflammation. So, if masturbation helps you unwind daily, you may actually be protecting your prostate through stress management. 7. When masturbation may be a red flag. Despite all the benefits, there are some warning signs to watch for. Triangular flag if you experience pain or burning during ejaculation, blood in semen, difficulty urinating after frequent masturbation, a constant urge to urinate. You may be dealing with prostatitis, enlarged prostate, BPH, or a urinary tract issue. This doesn't mean masturbation caused it, but it might aggravate existing inflammation. In these cases, you should consult a urologist. Also, if you rely on daily masturbation to cope with emotional distress, or it begins replacing real intimacy or functioning, consider speaking with a therapist. Your mental and prostate health are both worth protecting. So, what does daily masturbation really do to your prostate? Here's the truth. White heavy checkmark may lower your risk of prostate cancer. White heavy checkmark helps flush out toxins and old fluids. White heavy checkmark supports prostate function as you age. Warning, but too much can irritate or overload your pelvic system. Warning, listen to your body. Discomfort is a warning, not a mystery. Moderation is the key. For many men, once a day is completely healthy. For others, 3 to 5 times per week is optimal. It depends on your age, lifestyle, and overall health. In short, your prostate likes a little action, just not abuse. So go ahead, give your body what it needs. Stay healthy, stay informed, and as always, listen to your body's signals. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more men's health wisdom, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And let us know in the comments, what was the most surprising thing you learned today? Your questions and thoughts help others too. Stay strong, stay smart, and take care of yourself like the king you are.